Friends, today we have this Volvo S60 model. It has D5 engine and it has come to us through Tushar. It has some problem of pickup and we are going to scan this car with the help of Autel Ultra tool, scanning tool. Uh, we are very happy to inform you also that Mr. Mustafa from Autel is also here today. He is going to explain something about Ultra model as well as the scanning of this car. Before we start the video, let me ask Tushar what is the problem he is facing and then we'll go to Mustafa. Yeah, please. Tushar.
Yeah, so we just rebuilt the engine for the head, and then I got an error that your engine is having some trouble. Please check it, and so that I come here. And also the car is giving me low pickup
Okay.
after engine rebuild.
Okay. So there was some engine problem, you have rebuilt it
Yeah,
and but it is still showing
still
some
showing
error. Okay. So let's move on to Mustafa and we will scan the car through Autel Ultra Scanner. It's an expensive device but very powerful. So let's find out from Mustafa.
Hi, so today we have a MaxiSys Ultra. So this is the most premium device which we provide from Autel. Comes with the MaxiSys Maxi Flash VCMI, which is a inbuilt 5-in-1 VCI, which provides you with the 4-channel oscilloscope. Also, it provides you with the multimeter function. Also, you have this waveform generator and so on. So this is one of the most premium tool which you can afford. And also included, you get the diagnostics for all the premium cars, including Indian vehicles, European, as well as American vehicles. So when it comes to the vehicle coverage, you can see you have Tesla, McLaren, and so on. So just let's hop into this Volvo and see what the problem with this car today. So as I have already told you about this MaxiSys Ultra. So this comes from a MaxiSys range of diagnostic tools and being the premium tool. And I already explained to you about the specialties of this MaxiFlash VCI. So you can see over here, we have this oscilloscope function, multimeter function, waveform generator, then battery. So it's a complete solution for diagnosing your car. And moreover, this VCI connects with your diagnostic tool in two methods. That is, first is Wi-Fi, and then you have the Bluetooth connection. So also you can connect your VCI with your diagnostic tool using the USB cable as well. So yeah, let's see what's the problem with this car. So the car ignition is on, and yes, we'll go into the MaxiSys menu, and once we go into the diagnostics, let's do auto win. So the tool has read the VIN number of the vehicle, and yeah, we'll go into the VIN. Okay. Yes, S60. So you get this topology view over here, and yeah, let's go into the fault scan first. So the specialty of the MaxiSys tools is you get the intelligent diagnostics, and one of the key feature is the topology. And in the topology, you have this color-coded topology view, which enables you to identify your modules, your communication lines easily, and also it provides you all the explanation, like the which line. For example, you have this scan line over here, you have HS scan line, MS scan line. So each is color coded so that you can identify it very easily. Oh, okay, we can find so many error codes over here in this vehicle. It's around 17 DTCs are being scanned from this vehicle. So yeah, let's go into the list view and see what are the error codes again. So we have this list view over here. So these are the error codes which is found by the tool from the vehicle. Yeah, there are a lot of error codes. We have found the problem to the low pickup problem, And yeah, we can see over here this error code P00BD00. So the description given is the mass volume airflow sensor, too high and general fault information. So once we went inside the DTC analysis, we found that there were two possible causes were given on the DTC analysis, and we found that the hose clamp was loose, which caused less airflow and causing the pickup problem. So we have rectified that, and now we'll go for a test drive and we'll check whether that problem has been solved. So after diagnosis, we found the problem, and now we are driving the car. Earlier the car was showing a problem like it couldn't go above 60, but now after diagnosis we found the problem and we have made the solution, and now the car is driving easily and it's very smooth now.
The error has been erased, and I will just ask Tushar his observation about this. Yes, Tushar, please tell me.
So there was an issue with car that the car was giving a very low pickup, and we have diagnosed it with Autel Ultra tool and repaired. We got the solution from scanner itself and got it repaired. We found that there were two hoses which were loose, and we got it repaired, and now the car is functioning very well.
Okay. So, Mustafa, you want to say something?
Yeah, so as you have seen, like how we did the diagnostics using the MaxiSys Ultra device, with the help of the intelligent diagnostics, we had this help from the DTC analysis.
Yes.
And so this DTC analysis pinpoint out which problem we had to look out to.
Okay.
So that saved a lot of time. Actually, otherwise we should have gone under the hood. We have to check each and everything.
Yeah,
That would
I have
been a
seen
time.
people struggling with the
Yes.
car.
So
You're not trying different permutation combination, but with this tool, you can pinpoint the problem and reach
Exactly.
to the main problem.
exactly. So what this tool, like from the name itself, diagnostic tool, it diagnoses and tells you where you have to check the problem. So that saves your time
Yeah.
and also gives you a better productivity.
That's
Yeah.
lovely. So, thank you very much, Mustafa, and thank you very much, Tushar. And we request all of you, if you have any query regarding Autel tool, you can contact us if you want to source, if you want to purchase Autel tool, if you have any query regarding how it works, what is its scope, you can contact us in the given number which is down there. And at Just Auto, we are there for your service. Please do contact us if you have any query. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mustafa. Thank you, Tushar bhai. Thanks.